Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile online on PC. While playing directly in a browser isn't supported, the best way to enjoy this game on your computer is by using an emulator. Tencent Gaming Buddy, now known as Game Loop, is the official and recommended choice for a seamless experience. It provides a dedicated platform to run your favorite mobile games on a larger screen with keyboard and mouse controls. To get started, first download the Game Loop emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. After installation, open Game Loop and use the search bar to find PUBG Mobile. Then, simply click to install the game directly through the emulator, just as you would on a mobile device. This process usually takes only a few minutes. Once PUBG Mobile is installed, take some time to optimize your settings within Game Loop. Adjust the graphics to balance visual quality with performance, ensuring smooth gameplay. Crucially, configure your key mapping to match your preferred playstyle, giving you precise control. Also, make sure your PC meets the game's system requirements and that you have a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted online experience. These steps significantly enhance your game. Playing PUBG Mobile on your PC offers several advantages, including a much larger display and the precision of keyboard and mouse controls, which can significantly enhance your aiming and movement. This setup provides a more immersive and competitive gaming experience. While Game Loop is recommended, other emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player are also viable options. Always download any software from its official source to ensure your system's security and avoid potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.